We got everything bunded down. Lace looks amazing. Hair color looks amazing. So let's just talk about the easiest way to curl this. So what I like to do is section this off right here in the front, but from both sides. Right? You take your curlers and you bump under, not curl, bump under like a smooth flutter but facing the ground over. And then I like to just throw it back. And then the back, we're just going to do that in layers. So you literally start from the bottom layer like that.
I can't live without you. I'm thinking about you.
And you do it section by section so it will be done in layers. So I'll pull out the next section right here. Exact same thing. Naturally go with the flat iron. Do that all the way up and then tease through it. So we low-key have this side all to the back. And let's just see